This is Satya Pettyman of Cirrus Research. The latest issue of the Looking Glass report is just out. The Looking Glass report is a deep dive on key investment themes through the lens of ETFs. The title for this report is Leadership Fragmenting as Cyclicals Emerge. And this neat scatter plot represents a few key elements of current market leadership. We're looking here in the red plots, our ETFs are losing ground. We also have in the report those funds that are, as we would call, dead money. Those are firms where they've been really lackluster, lagging sharply, not only in the last 18 months, but in the recent 6 months. And then finally, we also have the trending firms, trending ETFs, that is. And in this instance, these are ETFs that, to no surprise, you're going to find the technology ETFs that are in there. But what's important to recognize is that we're also beginning to witness a number of cyclicals from the industrials area to the housing area. And this is key when we're thinking about where the profit cycle is going. So if the profit cycle is bottoming and likely to reaccelerate, then this rotation underway among stocks and ultimately ETFs is critical, because it is not at the peak of a profit cycle, but we're really at the early part of a bottoming of a profit cycle. This has quite a bit of meaning when we look at the next 12, 18 months. In addition to that, each period when we publish this report, we also look at relative valuations of sectors. And in this case, what we are recognizing, and to some degree this has been here for a while, the staples areas, telecom, transports, those sectors are driven by potentially some of the most constructive valuation comparisons. Conversely, technology, the sector, materials, utilities appear to be the most extreme, with the poorest raw scores. And so what this is telling us that you've got certain sectors that are notably expensive. And this gap, I think, has been here for a while. We suspect if the market becomes more valuation sensitive, we're likely to see the more expensive groups come to risk. Take a look at the full report. Always happy to take your questions. Thank you.